Hi guys, welcome. This is an introduction to an electronic-based math classroom. This classroom is Algebra 2 Modified with your teacher, Mr. Haddad. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I want to talk to you guys about is what is an electronic-based math classroom. Now, the notes portion is going to be taken with an electronic device. All right, we're either going to use you could use a computer, you can use an iPad, you can use a tablet. What we're going to be using in class is either a tablet or an iPad, okay? Now, once you're done, you tell me, and then I will give you the classwork for the day. So if you are one of those people that finished the video early, you get it early. If it takes you a little bit because you keep pressing pause, you'll get a little bit later, but you still should have enough time to finish the classwork. So, why is this type of classroom better? Well, let me tell you the traditional classroom first of all. So for the traditional classroom, I'm teaching about 25 to 30 students, and half the time you guys aren't, not you specifically, but students aren't paying attention. Either they're talking to their friends, they're on their phone, they're doing whatever they want to do, but not paying attention to what I'm having to say. Right? And a lot of times I see people falling asleep. Okay? Now, what then happens is I give you the classwork, and then you don't know what to do because you weren't paying attention in the first place. Okay? So what we're going to be doing is you're going to be watching the notes on either an iPad or a tablet. Right? Once you're done, you raise your hand. I come over, check to see that you're done, and then I'll give you the classwork. Okay? Then you can start asking questions. You can start doing whatever you need to do. All right? Now, the cool thing about it is if you're absent, you can still watch the video at home. You can use this on a regular desktop. So you'll watch the video at home, and you'll be able to be ready for the next day. How does this work? Well, it's going to be working through a app called Edpuzzle. All right. Now, in class, you're going to be watching the Edpuzzle video while you're taking notes. Okay. Edpuzzle video cannot be fast forwarded. There's like a lock mechanism. If you try to fast forward it, go ahead and try it now. You'll see that if you try to fast forward it, it won't let you. All right. The other cool thing about Edpuzzle is that it allows me to put questions anytime. So if I had a question right now, it would pop up. So hopefully you got that question right. That's what I was talking about. Okay, now the other thing is you can go at your own pace, meaning you can pause it at any time. So if you're trying to copy stuff down, like right now if you're trying to write this down and I'm working too fast for you, just press pause and then you'll be able to write it down. Okay, the last thing is that Edpuzzle keeps track of who's watching each video and answers the questions. So I'll be able to see who's watching the video. So if you're not in today, I'll be able to see before you come in if you watch the video or not. Okay? Now I wanted to talk, since I got your attention, I want to talk to you guys about the retake policy. Now, my retake policy is new now because we're doing it this way. All right? All Edpuzzle videos must be watched before you take the test. That is the first rule. Okay? The rest of them are the same, so I'm just going to just read them for you because you already know about them. All right? All assignments must be turned in, so that's the classwork. If you got a D or an F on a quiz, you need to do quiz corrections. All right? You have to fully attempt the original CUA review guide. And finally, the retake review packet must be completed and signed by your HLR staff member or tutor. Now, again, you can press pause at any time. So if you need to press pause right now to write all this down, go ahead. All right. So finally, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Now, if I'm helping someone else, all right, there's a space at the bottom for you to write any questions down so that you can, once you get my attention, you can ask me. Okay? Thank you, and we'll continue this later.